Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm looking at a 303 RLS, and the guys just came and got me and said, hey, come take a look at this refrigerator. So there's a refrigerator in this slide out, and let me show you an example here. You know, I'm gonna barely push on this refrigerator, and you can see how bad this refrigerator is rocking. So the refrigerator is broken loose, and that's the only block that's in there that's holding it. And let me turn down my radio so my guys don't say anything crazy. But as you can see, this refrigerator is completely broken loose. There's no kind of stop or support on that side other than that little chunk over there. For whatever reason, as it started wobbling and rocked like that, we don't know if it was from, you know, shaking or whatever, but the customer came in saying, hey, the ski broke loose, but the whole wall, as you can see, this whole wall broke loose. The floor broke loose from the wall, and we only see a couple screws in there. So I'll try to get a better angle here, you know, but the whole wall itself broke loose. So look at this floor. When I move it, you can see how this space is bouncing. Now the other end on the other side popped off as well, but it's not broken loose. It's just missing. So we got to contact the customer, see where that's at. In order to fix this guy, we're going to have to pull the refrigerator out, pull the fascia off, get to the inside of this panel, try to go back and either anchor down or anchor up on the floor to get into some wood. Hopefully there's enough structure in the aluminum tube with the wood in there, it's not all messed up or damaged. And then, or maybe we can like lag bolt it or you know, use a round crown bolt and bolt it up through there as well. So once we get the okay, we'll dive into it, see what's going on. There's a sled on the other side, it's gonna have to come off as well, and then we can get into it and get it fixed and let you know what to do and how to keep an eye out for it. So anyways, stay tuned for more, and hopefully these videos are informational. Make sure that if you have a refrigerator, this is a Furrion refrigerator, make sure that you're keeping an eye on the blocking. Maybe this one had some up there and somebody took it down. Maybe there needs to be some additional blocking. There's another small little piece of wood underneath the very bottom. It's all cracked up and damaged, but it could just be from, you know, hard jarring, traveling. And, you know, if they turned hard or made an emergency stop, or, you know, if they made an emergency stop and all the weight went that way. So we don't know until we tear it apart and see what's going on. All right, thanks so much for watching.